In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to list your part-time jobs on LinkedIn. Whether you're a student juggling several commitments or a professional with part-time gigs, showcasing your experiences can make your profile stand out. So, let's dive into the process and get your LinkedIn profile up to date. First things first, open your web browser and head over to LinkedIn by typing linkedin.com in the address bar. Once you're there, it's time to log in. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account if you prefer. Alternatively, use your email address and password to access your account. Just a quick note, if you have two-factor authentication enabled, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity using a code sent to your phone. This step is essential for keeping your account secure, so make sure you have your phone nearby if you need to complete this verification. You've successfully logged in, great job. Now let's move on to your LinkedIn profile. Focus your attention on the upper right corner where you will see your avatar or profile picture. Click on it. This will bring up a small menu. From this menu, go ahead and select View Profile. This will take you to your personalized LinkedIn page. Once you're on your profile, scroll down to the section labeled Experience. This is where you'll be adding your part-time job details. At the top of this section, you'll see a plus sign inviting you to add position. Click that plus sign to start entering the details of your past or current part-time roles. Now let's discuss some specific options and fields. One key part is selecting the employment type. You'll notice several choices in a drop-down menu. Make sure you choose part-time. This could be either permanent or contractual depending on your job's nature. Choosing the right type is crucial as it gives potential employers a clear understanding of the nature of your experience. After choosing the correct employment type, take a moment to fill in the rest of the job details. This includes your job title, the company name, and your responsibilities or key achievements. Be concise yet detailed, and remember that each entry is a chance to tell your professional story. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, take a final moment to review your entries. If everything looks good, the final step is to hit save. This action ensures your new experience details are added to your profile, making them visible to recruiters, colleagues, and anyone browsing your LinkedIn profile. And that's it, you've now added your part-time job to LinkedIn. Updating your profile with all relevant experiences not only keeps your profile fresh, but also broadens your opportunities. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope your LinkedIn journey continues to thrive.